Alright, so we just had a pretty good thunderstorm. I think we got about 2 inches of rain. It's actually still raining right now, as you can probably hear. And I think there's going to be some good flooding in our backyard, so I kind of want to check that out. Already we got some water flowing here, down through there. Normally this is completely dry. Oh yeah, look at that. This is all just water. The rain's actually picking up a little bit as I walk through this. Oh yeah, that is flowing right into those leaves there. Oh yeah. I'm not exactly sure how deep this is. Oh yeah, pretty deep. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's long. I'm not sure where the drop-off is here. There's a drop-off somewhere in here that I gotta be careful of. But yeah, this is a lot of water flowing right down through there. And right over there is some water too. I'm gonna head downstream even further. See what there is to see. This mud wall here that got dug out is eroding pretty good. Normally this entire area is completely dry, and we've had quite a drought this year. So this is probably coming as a big shock to all the plants and stuff. All the trails that run through the woods here are also just soaked with water. look at this. Man. More rushing water here. Not nearly as much, but it's deep. More here. And now we're getting back to where we can see the main stream again. That's not the main stream. This is, holy cow. Like I said, this is usually dry. And that's coming from up there. I'll explore up there in just a second. Yeah, wow, look at that. Right in here somewhere, there's actually like a mini cave. But it looks like it's grown over, so I can't really show that off. Unless... Alright, actually I might be able to. Yeah, here we go. Alright, right here, there's a mini cave. It's not gonna show up that well. But water comes from over there in a little cave, and it goes through there into a little cave. So, yeah, it's probably just an erosion-based cave. I don't know if it actually goes anywhere. But yeah, there's that. And this here is just a massive floodplain. Unfortunately, it's not dealing with this rain very well because all the trees in here got cut down. I kind of always said that it would be a bad idea for these trees to cut down, but no one listens to me, so, you know. Look at all these wood chips from the flooding. Ooh. There's some floodwaters coming from under the grasses here. Just a little stream flowing through here. Flowing fast. Looks like chocolate milk. Ooh. Here it's really shallow, but it's flowing fast. Ooh, that is thunder. Luckily I'm under some trees, so I should be safe. And a natural dam here, actually. Very cool. Also deep. water comes from that way. It comes from a cornfield up there. There should be a waterfall here, which might be interesting to look at. Yeah, mini waterfall right here. That's new, by the way. That wasn't here not long ago. Actually, what is that? Huh. Yeah, those are new as of today. This entire thing here. This is not. This has been here for some time. And this is the waterfall that I was talking about. Oh. It comes in through there, goes underground for a little bit, and comes out there. At one time, this could have been a cave. It may have been. Who knows? It is raining so hard. I thought the rain was coming to an end. I'll see if I can get up around and see that cornfield. There we go. Now we're back on a trail. More water. There should be another waterfall up here as well. Yeah, right up here. If I can actually get through these weeds. Oh geez, these are tall weeds. I don't want to fall into the waterfall here. So I'm trying to be careful. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get. It's right about here. Can't see it very well, but it's here. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up to the cornfield to show you guys that. But yeah, that's that. There's one more place that I want to show. But that's going to be more upstream here. So I'll restart the recording once I get there. Alright, I'm back down here where I started again. This time I'm heading upstream instead of downstream. There's a pretty big weed line up here, so I don't know whether or not I'll be able to actually look up here. But I guess we'll see. This water is actually quite deep. Alright, I don't think I'll be able to get up there. The lightning is getting worse, the rain is getting heavier, So I'm just gonna call it there. I just wanted to take a look at this stream, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys next time.